Hi, I'm Jana, and I am here with Epicuren Discovery's Facial To Go kit. This is a brand new kit, and it is full of awesome goodness. So you have my favorite, well, I have a lot of favorites, as we already know, but the Citrus Herbal Cleanser, literally no cleanser smells as amazing to me as that cleanser. It has the skin conditioner enzyme toner. It has the 5% glycolic lotion, the microderm ultra refining scrub, the chai soy med mask, and the Nourish daily antioxidant moisturizer in it. The Facial To Go kit is really great for normal to oily skin or even temperamental skin like mine. So grab your kit and do your facial along with me. So let's do the Facial To Go kit together. We'll start with our Citrus Herbal Cleanser. And you'll use this morning and night. I'm just gonna use about this much. Add a little water. Maybe a little more water. It's a nice foaming cleanser. Then rinse off. So with your face still wet a little bit from the cleansing, we're gonna put the microderm scrub on. Now this is if you're gonna use all 6 steps at once, which is what we're gonna do. You'll put a little water in there. Now what's cool about the microderm scrub is that you could just add more water if it's to whatever texture you feel most comfortable with. And you're not gonna rub really aggressively. Let that bamboo powder do the work for you. And you can really focus on any areas that are maybe feeling rough or have a little more wrinkles. For me, that's up here. And then we're gonna rinse off. Next, we're gonna apply the glycolic lotion. I took 2 pumps, 1 or 2, it depends. And I'm gonna apply that. You'll feel a little tingling sensation. Then I'm gonna kind of not let it dry, but let it sit for a minute and do its job. So what it's doing is the glycolic is kind of eating away at the intercellular glue that binds the dead skin cells together. So letting that work its magic. And then I'm not gonna wash it off. I'm gonna leave it on and apply the chai soy mud mask over top. And you just need a really thin layer. So the chai soy mud mask reduces clogged pores and discoloration, and it works to draw out dirt and impurities. Once that's dry, you're going to rinse off. Once your mask is rinsed off, you're going to do the skin conditioner enzyme toner. So you're gonna just do a pump of this, rub it together, and ooh, and press into the skin. I love the way this smells. And this is balancing the pH of the skin, but it also has that metadermabolic enzyme protein complex in it. So 3B vitamins, collagen amino acid in a water soluble solution. So it's really absorbed into the skin. Just gonna let that dry a little bit. And then for our Nourish Daily Antioxidant Moisturizer. It's nice and lightweight. It has a ton of antioxidants in it, so I love it. If you had any serums to add, you would put them before this step. So the way I just did the kit with all 6 steps in one facial can be used like that once a week. So the microderm scrub once a week, the chai soy mud mask once a week, the 5% glycolic lotion you could actually use up to 3 times a week. To start off with, I would recommend once a week and then kind of build yourself up. If you were going to use that without doing everything else with all of these other steps, I would use it at nighttime, right after toning, before you add your moisturizer. So it would go cleanse, tone, glycolic, moisturizer. And again, just leave it on for a second before you apply the moisturizer. But in the morning time, to make things simpler, you can just use those 3 steps, the cleanse, tone, moisturizer. And that's what makes this so awesome, because not only is it super effective and easy to use at home, but it also can extend the life of your facial that you experienced in the spa. Look at my skin's just glowing. And it retails for $182.50 for all 6 products. So essentially you're getting the Chai Soy Mud Mask for free. Totally cool. Thanks for joining me. Please leave any comments or questions you have below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.